Installation of Moodle in the Raspberry, sometimes called Moodlebox. You will need a computer, internet connection, and a SD miner with sometimes a SD adapter. We're going to install Raspberry Pi Imager. Raspberry Pi Imager allows you to install applications like Moodle. There is many other applications you can install. And there is also other ways you can install Moodlebox into your memory card. However, this is one of the most user-friendly installation. So first you have to open your browser. So it could be Chrome, it could be Edge, it could be Firefox. So I'm gonna open Chrome. You type in Raspberry Pi Imager as it is here. Generally it will be one of the first results. So I have Raspberry Pi OS. Click on it and you have this download for Windows. I will download it. In here I have the image and I will just look at it. This is it. So I will double click to download it. I'll click yes and install. And as soon as I finish, this will open a new Raspberry Pi Imager. So you've successfully installed the image. Creation of a Moodle image on the SD memory. You will need a computer with a SD reader, but you can also have a SD adapter in a USB shape. Normally, you should already have installed Raspberry Pi Imager that we will also use in this video. So first, let's open Raspberry Pi Imager that you have previously installed. Here it is. So I will click on open. I will say yes. So I'm going to choose OS. So I have to scroll down, order specific purpose OS, and scroll down more, Moodlebox, and I choose Moodlebox for the last version. Then I choose storage. I will choose, this is my SD mini. So I click right, and it's telling me that the SD will be erased totally, and I'm sure to continue. I'm gonna click yes. So be sure to have everything out. It will be even better if you have a blank SD, a new one. When it's finished, this message appears and you can now click continue and remove your SD card. When you're done, you can safely remove your SD adapter with your SD card on it. Remove the SD from the adapters. We don't need them anymore. Put your SD into the Raspberry Pi. Plug your Raspberry Pi to electricity. And now, every time you will start your Raspberry Pi with your SD memory, it will start directly on Moodle. More exactly, on the Moodlebox.